Alright, enough playing around. So in this video, I am going to be showing you exactly how I created this picture frame dry erase calendar, which is going to help you stay organized throughout your day. For everyone who is already subscribed to my channel, thank you for returning. And if you are new, thank you for watching, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first what you would need is some painter chips. You can pick whatever colors you like. I went to Lowe's. You can also go to your local Home Depot as well to get them. Now you're going to measure your painter's chips to make sure that they are all the same size for your calendar. And I like to just go ahead and basically cut off the part that you can see the name of the paint or whatever kind of paint it is. And this is what you're going to have left over. In all, I got about 35 painter chips, the colorful ones. And I picked up a white painter chips because what I'm going to do is the corner where you're going to have the number date, you're going to make sure that that area is white for you to be able to write in that corner whatever date it is of that month. And I'm just measuring it out, making sure it's all even, and then I'm just going to cut out 35 white squares so I can place it on the colorful painter's chip. Okay, so I have laid out 35 white squares, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue them onto the left upper hand corner of the square. And here's what I have after I place the squares onto the painter's chip. Okay, you guys, I came across this chalk writer and I am so in love with it. I got it from Dollar Tree and it writes so very well. What I'm doing right now is I am cutting the black paint chip and I'm going to write notes across the painter chip. So this is where I'm going to be taking my notes when I write on the calendar. So now I'm going to use that same exact marker and write on the black chip the word Sunday through Saturday. And so I'm just going to go ahead and measure it and make sure it fits the same as the regular boxed painter chips or the colorful painter chips. And I'm just going to write Sunday. And this is what everything looks like so far. So this is the picture frame that you can use. I got this from Michael's. They were actually doing a 50% off of frames sale. So I actually spent $20 on this picture frame, but you can actually go to Walmart or somewhere like that and pick you up one. Right here, I am just going to undo the back of the board. Okay, so after I remove the board, what I'm going to be doing is using the white paper that is inside the picture frame. I'm going to be using that same white paper to basically have it as a background to my calendar and dry erase board. Okay, so before you glue your paint chips down, you want to kind of play around with it and make sure that you like how it looks after you place everything down. That way you can move anything around and put it where you like it. Because once you put the glue on the paint chip and onto the paper, it's going to be hard for you to remove it and try to place it somewhere else. So just be mindful of that. Now it's time to go ahead and glue everything down. Once you glue, you can't pick it back up. Now I'm going to be using my electrical tape that I use also to do my glitter wine glass and my tumblers. But I'm going to be using this electrical tape to basically split my calendar and my notepad on my dry erase board so that you can see that it's going to be divided. But you can get this from Dollar Tree, and they're going to have it for $1, 2 packs for $1. Now this is optional. I went ahead and got another black chip, paint chip, and I just put down reminder or to do on the calendar just to fill up the space at the bottom of the calendar. And I decided to get more colorful paint chips and to do like a to-do list for Sunday through Saturday. But it's really up to you how you want to fill in the blanks. You can have another area where you want to put notes at. You can have a reminder list. You can have a to-do list at the bottom, or you could just keep it blank for just free writing. And once you got everything how you like it, you're just going to flip the paper over and you're going to place the board right back onto the picture frame and you're done. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just, using dry erase marker onto the picture frame just to give you guys an idea of how everything writes. But this marker also comes from Dollar Tree, and I got the one that has 2 for $1. And this is actually going to go into my husband's office, but for my office I'm going to do some girly colors. I'm going to have some pink and some purple somewhere in there, and maybe a little glitter somewhere. But this is basically for me to put in his office so he can stay organized. But the next time I do my calendar, it's going to be more girly. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more DIY videos, please let me know exactly what you want to see. If you've seen someone do something else and you want me to try it, just let me know. But thank you for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel so that you could be notified the next time that I go ahead and upload another DIY video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.